Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the online classes. Today we will do the revision of chapter 2, that is playing with numbers. Now let us start. Now the first topic is BODMAS. Here you know B stands for what? Bracket. O stands for off. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Now we will discuss about the type of brackets. Now here we will have three type of brackets. Now the first one is the curly bracket, as you can see. The second one is the big bracket, or you can say a square bracket. Then the third one is parenthesis, or you can say simple bracket. Now if there is exponent or you can say power in the question, then how you will solve the question? First of all, you will solve the bracket, then you will solve the power, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Now let me explain you what is exponent or power. Exponent कह लीजिए या फिर power कह लीजिए. Now see here, 5 to the power 2. 5 के ऊपर जो ये छोटा सा नंबर दिख रहा है वो क्या है? उसकी पावर. सो 5 to the power 2, नंबर की जितनी भी पावर होती है आप उस नंबर को उतने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. नाउ हियर व्हाट इज द पावर ऑफ 5? 5 to the power 2. That means you will multiply 5 how many times? 2 times. So 5 into 5. Now see next, 5 to the power 3. Here the power is 3. यहाँ पे 5 की पावर कितनी है? 3. तो जितनी पावर उतनी बार आप उस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So what it will be? 5 into 5 into 5. Now the first question is simplify. The A part is 284. Here you can see the parenthesis. 6 into 65 divided by 13 plus 20 into 5 minus 40. Now see here, first of all we will solve the bracket. You can see the parenthesis here. So first of all we are going to solve the bracket, and in the bracket which operation we will solve? First of all division. So 65 divided by 13, what will we get? What we will get? 5. So it is 284 minus bracket 6 into 5 plus 20 into 5 minus 40. Again first of all we will solve the bracket. Now inside the bracket which operation we will solve? We will solve multiplication. So 6 into 5 is 30, then a plus sign, then 20 into 5 is 100, then a minus 40. Now then we will solve addition. 30 plus 100 is what? 130, then minus 40. Now we will solve again the bracket. 130 minus 40 is what? 90. So what we will get? 284 minus 90. And at the last, 284 minus 90, what we will get? 194. Now the B part is curly bracket. In the curly bracket, 370 divided by 37, then a parenthesis, 45 into 5 to the power 2 divided by 5 minus 35 plus 7. Now here's the solution here. Now I told you when you will get a power in the question, then first of all you will solve the bracket, then exponent, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Now first of all you need to solve the bracket. Now there are two types of bracket, curly bracket and parenthesis. So which one you will solve? Firstly you will solve the parenthesis. Then inside the parenthesis what you are getting? Power. So first of all inside the bracket you will solve power, that is 5 to the power 2. Now in the next step you can see I have solved 5 to the power 2, it becomes 25. Why? I told you कि नंबर की जितनी पावर होगी उतनी बार आप नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So here 5 to the power 2, so 5 into 5 is what? 25. So 5 to the power 2 becomes 25. Now the next step in the parenthesis bracket you will solve the division. So 25 divided by 5 becomes 5. Now next step in parenthesis you will solve multiplication. So 45 into 5 becomes 225. Now in the next step I am taking 225 and 7 together because these both are positive numbers. 225 plus 7 minus 35. Now I am solving 225 plus 7. Now it comes 232. Now in the next step I am solving the parenthesis again. So 232 minus 35 becomes 197. Now you can see there is no sign between 37 and parenthesis. So what will be their sign? A multiplication sign. Now you will solve parenthesis. So inside the parenthesis, which operation you will solve first of all? Division. So 370 divided by 37, what we will get? 10, and then into 197. Now finally we are going to multiply 10 by 197. The required answer is 1970. Now factors. The first question is write all factors of 36. So how you will get 36? Now 1 into 36 is what? 36. 2 into 18 is what? 36. 3 into 12 is what? 36. 4 into 9 is what? 36. And 6 into 6 is 36. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. In short, वो सारे numbers जो 36 को divide करेंगे वो सारे के सारे 36 के factors हो जाएंगे. Now multiples. Now here see the first question. Write first 3 multiples of 9. So for writing the multiples, you simply have to write the table of 9 up till 27. Now see here only first 3 multiples are asked. So first of all you will multiply 9 by 1, then you will multiply 9 by 2, and then you will multiply 9 by 3. So the first multiple of 9 will be 9, the second multiple will be 18, and the third multiple will be 27. So the first 3 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27. Now write first 5 multiples of 12. Now simply first of all you will multiply 12 by 1, then by 2, then by 3, then by 4, then by 5. So 12 ones are 12, 12 2 are 24, then 36, then 48, and then 60. Now there are points to remember. The first point is 1 is a factor of every number. 1 हर एक number का factor होता है. The second point is the number of factors of a number is finite. किसी भी number के factors कैसे होते हैं? Finite होते हैं. Every number is a multiple of itself. हर एक number आपका अपना खुद का multiple भी होता है. Every number is a multiple of 1. हर एक number 1 का multiple भी होता है. Every number has infinite multiples. सभी numbers के infinite multiples होते हैं. Okay? Now odd and even numbers. Now what are odd numbers? The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. For example 1, 3, 5, 7. वो numbers जो 2 से divisible नहीं होते, those numbers are called odd numbers. Now even numbers, the numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. For example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. और वो numbers जो 2 से divisible हो जाते हैं, those numbers are called even numbers. Now the next topic is co-prime numbers. Two numbers that have 1 as the only common factor are called co-prime numbers. दो numbers जिनका केवल एक ही common factor होता है. Which one? 1. वो numbers co-prime numbers होते हैं. For example 2, 3. Now see, the factors of 2 are 1 and 2 and the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. दोनों ही numbers का केवल एक ही common factor है. कौन सा? 1. So these two numbers are co-prime numbers. 5, 6 again, the factors of 5 are 1 and 5 and the factors of 6 are 1, 2 and 3. So which is the common factor between them? 1. So that is why 5 and 6 are co-prime numbers. Now you need to remember two things. A, two co-primes need not to be both primes. Now see here in example 3, 4. These are co-prime numbers, but you can see कि दोनों ही numbers prime नहीं हैं. 3 is a prime number, but 4 is a composite number. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि दोनों ही prime हो. Again 4, 9. See, 4 is a composite number and 9 is also a composite number, but both these numbers are co-prime. Any two primes are always co-prime. दो prime numbers हमेशा co-prime होंगे. Now see here the first one, 2, 3. See, 2 is also a prime number and 3 is also a prime number and 2, 3 is a co-prime numbers. Again 3, 5. 3 and 5 both are prime numbers and they are co-prime numbers. Okay, so दो प्राइम नंबर्स हमेशा कैसे होंगे? को-प्राइम होंगे. Now the first question is find out the co-prime numbers from the following. Now see here the A part 13,23. Now let us find whether these numbers are co-prime or not. Now the factors of 13. Now for finding out whether the numbers are co-prime or not, you will find out the factors first of all. So factors of 13 is 1 and 30, 1 comma 13. Factors of 23 are 1 and 23. Now you can see which is the common factor, 1. As 1 is the only common factor, so 13 comma 23 is co-prime. Now the B part is 57 comma 84. Now the factors of 57 are 1 comma 3 comma 19 comma 57, and the factors of 84 are 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 and so on. Now here you can see 1 and 3 are the common factors. That means 1 की अलावा भी एक common factor है. और co-prime numbers क्या होते हैं? दो prime numbers जिनका सिर्फ एक ही common factor हो. Which one? 1. So that is why 57,84 is not a co-prime number. Now the next is twin primes. Prime numbers that differ by 2 are called twin primes. दो prime numbers जिनका difference 2 होगा, those numbers will be twin prime numbers. Now an example here. See an example. 5 comma 7. Now find out the difference. 7 minus 5 is 2. So here the difference is 2. So 5 comma 7 is, they are the twin prime numbers. Now 11 comma 13, the prime numbers differ by 2. So 11 comma 13 are also twin prime numbers. Now the question number 1 is find out twin prime numbers. Now 37 comma 67. Now no. Why these numbers are not twin prime? Because the difference is not 2. Now the B part is 17 comma 19. These numbers are twin prime numbers. Yes. Why? Because the difference is 2.